On today's episode of the DentTent Chronicles, I'm going to show you how to take something like this and turn it into this. Let's go. What is up, DentTent family? It's me, Dave, your favorite Sacramento dent repair specialist, coming to you from here, from the DentTent. Man, I got some cool, exciting stuff today. Check out the new living room waiting area. It's pretty sweet, right? We got a TV, old school Nintendo if you guys want to get down, some coffee here, a fan, keep it comfortable. Plenty of charging ports if you guys want to charge your phones. But check this all out too. We got a new fridge, plenty of cold waters, some creamer for your coffee. There's something else, another big story I want to let you know about. I'm also selling the Blanco Bomber. He's up on the selling block. Man, he's been really good to me. But I think I've been having the itch to build another camper van. So on what's inside, if you guys want a full tour on him, you can go through my channel. It'll be in the list of videos I have on this same channel. You can see a quick walkthrough on this van. Let's get back to the matter at hand. Check out this ride. Check this thing out. Super sweet Mini Cooper. Airbagged out. Super carbon fibered everywhere. Check out what happened here. Looks like he backed into something. This is pretty gnarly here. Rear quarter panels. And check out the gap we got going on right here. These are really tough to get into. Quarter panels are toughest panels, if not the toughest panels to work on any car. So come with me on this ride. I'll show you how I do this. I'll explain exactly what I'm doing while I'm doing it. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, everybody? First of all, I want to thank everyone for coming out and hanging out with me today and joining me on this really neat adventure. So here I'm taking out this tail light to get access to the dent here. And you guys will see what I pull up here next. Every dent needs the right angle of leverage. So first of all, you'll see me getting these blocks of wood out. And these blocks of wood are for leverage, exactly that. So I got different sizes, different shapes, just to get the very correct angle at this dent. You see me pushing away that wiring harness. I don't want to push on that and break it and not have the taillight work after I'm done with it. So here I am. I'm putting on this is the softest tip that I have. So you see that orange tip, it's nice and thick and soft. So I'm starting off working that out from the wheel well towards us, and then from us to the wheel well. You see me here working, warming it up, making sure that paint doesn't break. That's why heat plays a very, very important part in paintless dent repair. Okay, you guys see the dent disappearing there. So basically what I'm doing with this thicker tip is I'm kind of roughing it out. Did you see me just change to a different tip there? I just showed it with the black edge there. So here I am. I'm kind of tapping down the highs here with one of my tappers and then switching to that rubber tip tapper there. I use different size tips to work out different edges of metal. So here I am, I'm working with a different sharper tool here, just kind of pinpointing everything out and making sure everything comes out as smooth as possible. So kind of eyeballing area here. See, this is my smallest tip tapper. And back to pushing. Working this metal out very, very slow. See, you guys see me here switching up some tips on my tools. Here I am cutting a new tip on this, and I'm working the very edge of that. body line. That is the very toughest part and holds the most amount of pressure. So as soon as you get the toughest part out, the rest of it will unfold a lot easier. And that is the key to getting dents out nice and smooth. Still working the edge here. You guys will see me here, I just moved the light around. That is to just to get a different angle on the dent. And make sure it looks good from all directions. Here I am at a different angle, now working it from the opposite way. This is called cross-checking. It's really important to cross-check your work to make sure it looks great from all angles. Here I am, I'm kind of getting down to the nitty-gritty, into the final details. You see me down here on my knees and working it from the really low angle, just to get a different perspective on the dent. And I'm getting close to finishing up here. Just fine-tuning everything before our final step here. You guys will see in a minute. I'm going to polish everything out, make sure to get all the paint transfers and all the scuffs off the paint there. Make sure everything looks great when I'm done. And here we are, guys. Here's the final product. I think it turned out great. If you guys ever have any problems or run into anything and have any dents or dings on your car, don't hesitate to give me a call or check out my website. All my information is there. And thank you guys for coming by. Have a great day.